The file page is a public link that lets your customers upload their artwork directly to FileSpecs. It's fully customizable, so you can tailor it to match your brand. You can upload a sidebar image that will appear on the left-hand side of the page. To do this, click Select New File, choose the image you want, and upload it. You can also upload your logo. Simply click Select New File, select your logo file, and upload it. Click Save, and then click the View Page button to see it in action. This shareable link doesn't require customers to create an account, making it ideal for embedding on your website or sharing directly with clients. I'm going to log out to show you the file page from a customer's perspective. When customers visit the link, they can enter a job name, their email address, their name, and company name. Then, they'll select a product type. They'll select the product dimensions and upload their artwork. As soon as they submit the job, FileSpecs will automatically run a pre-flight check on the file. Customers can view the file properties and file issues. However, they won't be able to run a fix-up. They may choose to replace the file if they see an issue that they can correct by themselves. That wraps up this tutorial. Be sure to check out our Products and Profiles video to learn more about FileSpecs.